女士们、先生们，我们已经抵达马尼拉。现在机舱外面的温度为26摄氏度，79华氏度。飞机还在滑行中，在系好安全带指示灯关闭前，请您保持安全带系好。飞机停稳后，当您打开行李架时，请特别留心，以免物品滑落。感谢您选乘天河联盟成员中国南方航空公司航班，期待下次旅途再会，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Manila. The outside temperature is 26 degrees Celsius, or 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Our aircraft is still taxiing. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. When the aircraft is securely parked, please be careful when opening the overhead bins, as luggage may have shifted during the flight. Thank you for flying with China Southern Airlines as SkyTeam member. See you next time and have a nice day. Thank you.